Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe, and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make $900 PayPal money for free in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button so you are always in tune to our newest videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. So what I want you to do is that I want you to go on a website called TuneGaga, and this is a very amazing website. As it says here, get paid to play music. TuneGaga is a platform that pays you real money, not points, for watching ads. TuneGaga pays you for your attention when you watch video ads that are targeted to you and your interests with a focus on the music industry. It is quick and very easy to sign up. You can start earning money right away. So all you need to do is press the sign up button. It's free. I'm not gonna go through that with you guys since you already know what to do. I'm just gonna go into TuneGaga's background. It says here, what is TuneGaga? A platform that pays you money for watching online videos. Probably you have been trying to work on some online earning sites before to try and make money. You do a lot of small tasks but you never see money. TuneGaga is different. Instead of earning points like most of these websites and withdrawing gift cards, TuneGaga is very clear and transparent about how much real money you will earn for every online task you complete, and you can withdraw it directly to your wallet in dollars. That's the good thing about it. We're in South Africa and you get the money in dollars. So it says here, to check out how much money you can earn, please click here to compare our plan. So like I said in the beginning, you can easily create your account, but I want to continue going down the background of this website so you guys have a clear definition of what it is, so you don't have to do this because I'm doing it for you. So it says here, how to start earning on TuneGaga. Download our Android application to have an awesome experience. They have an app. That's also a good thing about them. They're not just a website, they also have an app that has been verified by Google Play Store. Ready to make money listening to music? Grab this opportunity by signing up with TuneGaga and start earning money in an entertaining way, listening to your favorite music and artists. For every music video you view or like, you are paid cash rewards, which you can withdraw directly to your bank account or crypto wallet. Bitcoin, PayPal, that's what they mean. Pretty much bank account, whatever type of currency you're using, and they're also telling you to download it. There's also a video that you can watch if you feel like I didn't explain it properly. They'll also explain it to you in the same way. So it says here, how does it work? It is really easy. After you create an account, we'll send you an activation code in your email. This is why I always stress on you guys to always put in the correct email so you are able to pass through the stage. You get a short video and you will be able to make from 6 to 12 Rand. Now that is not a lot of money, but in quantities, guys, you can make that much money. It says here, you'll get paid a minimum of 6 Rand to 12 Rand, and when you reach 300 Rand, you can withdraw it into your bank account or Bitcoin wallet every payday on Tuesday and Friday. And the best part about it that a lot of these websites have is that you can also refer it to a friend and you can make 20% or whatever percent of the amount of money they are making. So guys, make sure that you add in your correct email, and literally you are not getting paid with points or gift cards, you're getting paid with hard earned cash. And once you reach 300 Rand, guys, I know it sounds like a lot of money, but if you are making 12 Rand to 16 Rand per video, per ad, per survey, or whatever the website app is offering, then you can easily in no time reach the threshold and you can withdraw it. So just make sure that you follow my steps, guys, and you'll be okay. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. If you've made it up until this point, thank you. You are a star. My name is Larry, and thank you for tuning in. The 26th of November is coming very soon. You know what to do. Make sure you comment, make sure you like, do whatever it takes, and if you're lucky, you might be one of the 3 people to win 1,000 rands. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Peace.